kind of makes it even more strange, doesn't it? All right, guys, here we go. Spin is made. Good luck now. Let's see what happens now. Check it out. Now, but he still made some good stuff, you know, kind of. I do follow the philosophy of like separating the art from the artists. Wow, Lightning Storm with a 4X? Are you kidding me? This could be huge. Again, Storm. Hello again, guys. Wow, congratulations, you're big time. Is that actually, could that actually be the highest multi of the day? A 3000x on the Lightning Storm? I'm not sure. I mean, we don't have any moderators here right now to tell us the highest win of the day. Spin is made, best of luck. It is the highest of the day. Let's go.